Today we are going to make a spaghetti recipe with meatballs. Boil water in a large bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and little bit of olive oil into boiling water. Put spaghetti into boiling water and boil until they become soft. When they are boiled enough, drain water and keep aside. Then let's cut onion, garlic, curry leaves and tomatoes. After that, heat oil in a pan and add chopped onions into this. Saute onions around 2 minutes and then add garlic. After that, add diced tomatoes. Then add salt, pepper powder, curry leaves, chili pieces and sugar. Mix all of them very well. Cook this around 5 minutes and then add water. After adding water, reduce heat to low, cover the pan and simmer around 30 minutes until this becomes thickened. Now we need to add meatballs to the sauce. Mix all meatballs with the sauce and cook another 15 to 20 minutes. Finally mix spaghetti in this. This will be a great different kind of a recipe, especially for your dinner. See you soon with another delicious recipe. Till then, subscribe my channel and ring the bell.